Why does this matter for Africa? But ultimately, because this space that Africa finds itself in is almost with the mobile-first mindset, and that is probably the only key access or most common denominator to get access to financial services. That is where the context of stablecoins becomes relevant, because it enables instant and fast payments. It also supports SMEs and businesses in terms of their growth, as well as strengthens communities and local economies in terms of from liquidity, which will be another conversation that will be unpacked in this forum. Use cases around individuals. One, you find that it allows for freelancing payments so that you can get you don't have to wait or the hassle of the delays that payments from one country to another country might take. Two, you also allow, you look at the use case of most people, you will be using maybe Western Union when they transfer in funds and other channels, but this allows to decrease costs and again efficiencies across the time that it's required to receive that funds. Mobile money wallets, not just Web 2 wallets, but now Web 3 wallets as well, also allow you to have control of your assets. And this is important because as becoming an integrated society as we are, this obviously becomes quite key in terms of that revolution. Lastly, we also find that there's increased financial independence and opportunity that's available in Africa, and this is the making or the perfect storm for stablecoins to flourish. From an institution perspective, one, it helps cross-border payments and a simpler, better, faster concept, especially if you consider the low costs attached to it. Two, you find that it not just improves cash flows, but it also allows access to global markets. Three, new revenue channels, not just for emerging CASP and VASP, which is crypto asset service providers or virtual asset service providers, but you'll find your traditional institutions diversifying their portfolio of work or their offerings to their clients, and you find stablecoin being part of that new umbrella. And one, it doesn't just create job opportunities in terms of new hires and allowing that space to grow in existing infrastructure institutions, but it also gives rise to new SMEs and enterprises in the space.